Is Novo really a bank? Unpacking the fintech revolution. Ever since the dawn of the internet, the way we manage our money has undergone a dramatic shift. Gone are the days of dusty bank ledgers and stoic tellers behind bulletproof glass. Today, a new wave of financial technology, or fintech for short, is taking center stage. Now, companies like Novo are popping up, offering sleek mobile apps and a seemingly seamless banking experience. But with all this innovation, a crucial question arises: are these new players actually banks? In the case of Novo, the answer is a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Let's dive deeper and explore the fascinating world of fintech, unpacking what it means to be a bank in the digital age, and how Novo fits into the grand scheme of things. The traditional banking landscape. For generations, the concept of a bank has been synonymous with a brick-and-mortar institution. These institutions are heavily regulated and play a vital role in the financial ecosystem. They accept deposits from customers, then lend that money out, generating profits in the process. This traditional model has served us well for centuries, providing a safe and secure way to manage our finances. However, the rise of the internet brought new challenges and opportunities. Traditional banks, often burdened by legacy systems and regulations, struggle to keep pace with the evolving needs of a tech-savvy generation. This is where fintech companies like Novo stepped in. Fintech, redefining banking. Fintech is a broad term encompassing a wide range of financial services offered through technology. These services can include anything from mobile payment apps to online investment platforms. Novo, specifically, falls under the category of neobanks. These are essentially banks that operate entirely online, without the need for physical branches. They leverage technology to offer a user-friendly experience, often with lower fees and faster processing times compared to traditional banks. So, is Novo a bank? Here's the catch. Now, here's where things get interesting. While Novo offers many features typically associated with a bank, like checking accounts and debit cards, there's a crucial distinction. Novo itself doesn't hold your deposits. Instead, Novo partners with a reputable FDIC-insured bank, currently Middlesex Federal Savings, to act as the custodian of your funds. This essentially means your money is held securely at a different institution, while Novo provides the user interface and functionalities for managing it. The benefits of a Novo account. Despite not technically being a bank, Novo offers several advantages, particularly for those who value convenience and control. Here are some key benefits. Mobile-first approach. Manage your finances seamlessly through their intuitive mobile app. Lower fees. Novo typically charges fewer fees compared to traditional banks, making it a budget-friendly option. Faster transfers. Experience faster processing times for transfers and direct deposits. Automation features. Leverage automatic features like bill pay and savings goals to manage your finances efficiently. Novo, a great option for some, but not all. While Novo provides a compelling alternative for some, it's important to consider your individual needs. Here are some things to keep in mind. Limited features. Compared to traditional banks, Novo offers a more limited range of financial services, such as loans and investment products. Reliance on partner bank. Your money is ultimately held at another institution, which might be a concern for some. Customer service. With an entirely online model, customer service options might be limited compared to traditional banks with physical branches. The future of banking, a blend of old and new. The rise of fintech like Novo presents a fascinating glimpse into the future of banking. We might see a world where traditional banks and fintech companies collaborate to offer a wider range of services with greater convenience. Imagine a seamless integration where you can manage your checking account through a user-friendly app while still having access to traditional banking products like loans or safety deposit boxes. The verdict on Novo, a flexible financial partner. So, is Novo a bank? Technically, no. But that doesn't diminish its value proposition. Novo offers a modern, convenient, and affordable way to manage your everyday finances. However, it's crucial to understand its limitations and ensure it aligns with your financial needs. Ultimately, the choice between traditional banks and fintech companies like Novo comes down to individual preferences and priorities. With a clear understanding of both options, you can make an informed decision about where to park your hard-earned cash. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.